I'm Yankel, and today we're talking about marinades. A good marinade has 4 components. We've got flavor, we've got balance, we've got acid, and we've got fat. Flavor is anything you put into a marinade. Garlic, herbs, something like that. For balance, we want salt versus sweet. For acid, we want something acidic, lemon juice or vinegar or even buttermilk. And then we have something for fat, which is going to be a kind of oil. Today we're using olive oil. Coincidentally, those are the same 4 components that make a terrific salad dressing. So we're gonna build our marinade and we're gonna put some aside to use to dress our salad. All right, let's get to the fun stuff. So we're gonna make our marinade. I'm going Italian style today. So I've got this gorgeous blend of Italian seasonings. It is marjoram, sage, basil, oregano, and this is the flavor element. So I've got herbs, I've got some minced garlic, and now we're moving into our acidic component. So we've got lemon zest. And remember, I don't want too much acid here, so I'm not gonna use lemon juice, just the zest. So I've got acid and sweetness happening at the same time because I'm using a true balsamic, which is 18-year aged. And so it's got a lot of sweetness, still has some acidity. Add a little bit of that. And usually you want a 2-to-1 fat to acid ratio. So we'll go with a little bit more olive oil. Great. Obviously some salt and pepper just to get things moving. This is a 5-minute marinade, so that's all we need for something to happen, for it to absorb flavor. It's not an overnight marinade. It's all gonna happen real quick. Five-minute marinade, that means I've got 5 minutes to make my salad. I think it's gonna take me 1. Well, with the magic of editing, I'm sure that took me less than a minute. Adding my mozzarella and some fresh oregano, some beautiful gluten-free Parmesan croutons. And now I've got a little bit of the marinade that I saved, doubles as a salad dressing. Just gonna give that a quick stir, and we're gonna let that sit while we sear and cook our steak. Flavor explosion. If Guy is the mayor of Flavor Town, I'm the governor of Flavor State. It's time to sear our steaks. I don't need to really add anything to this. I don't even need to add fat to the pan. I've got my beautiful cast iron pan. I already have oil on the marinade, on the steak, so it's gonna go right into the pan. We're gonna get it super hot, give it a quick sear, flip it over, finish it in the oven. All right, going right into our pan. That is the sound dreams are made of. Two to 3 minutes per side, and you'll notice there's a beautiful crust on the steak already. Part of the benefit of using a beautiful balsamic vinegar is it has that additional sugar, that sweetness, that caramelizes really easily. We're gonna finish the steak in the oven. It's gonna be a few more minutes. See you in a sec. So I've let my steak rest, hopefully long enough, but I can't wait any longer. We're gonna slice it. Now with a New York strip, you'll notice there is that strip of fat that runs along one side. In a steakhouse, you'll notice they slice it off, and the reason is because there's often a little layer of silver skin. I love chewing on that fat. I'm gonna slice the fat off first, but I'm gonna keep it because I'm gonna chew on it later. You know, there's a reason I do this, and that's because at the end of every dish, you have perfection. It's what you set out to do. You have a final product that looks beautiful, tastes beautiful, smells beautiful, brings happiness and joy to everybody. What more can you ask for out of a job? Thank you so much for watching. That was awesome. I'm surrounded by information. We've got links below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lots more delicious cooking videos over here. I'm Yankel. See you in the next one.